The following is an urgent winter weather message for the following counties in Virginia: Bedford, Floyd, Franklin, Montgomery, Pulaski, and Roanoke. Winter storm warning in effect from 1 p.m. Saturday to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday. What? Snow expected, mixed with sleet or freezing rain at times. Total snow accumulations of 4 to 6 inches expected. Where? Portions of Virginia, mainly from Route 460 northward. When? From 1 p.m. Saturday to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday. Additional details: roads will become covered with snow and ice, creating hazardous travel conditions. A winter storm warning for snow means severe winter weather conditions will make travel very hazardous or impossible. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511.